Hello and welcome to another Lethbridge College cooking lesson. My name is Paul Kingsmith and today I am joined by Chef Doug Overis. Not only is Chef Doug the chair of our culinary careers program here at the college, he's also a college alumnus as well as a distinguished alumnus. Thank you for joining us, Chef Doug.
Thanks for having me.
Well, today we have a treat for you. It's a masterpiece that takes only a few ingredients. Tell us a little bit more.
We're going to have snapper Veracruz, and it's named after the port city of Veracruz, Mexico. And it is full of flavor, it is super easy, it is fresh, it's delicious, and very nutritious for you.
Well, I can't wait to try it, so let's get started. Chef Doug.
First, you'll want to assemble your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 4 boneless, skinless red snapper fillets, 1 cup of chopped onions, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 large can of chopped Italian plum tomatoes, the juice and zest of 2 limes, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 1/3 cup of sliced pimento stuffed green olives, and cracked black pepper and salt to taste. Then we'll get started on the recipe. First, heat the oil in a skillet until it's very hot. Then, add the fish and saute on both sides for about 1 to 2 minutes until brown. You don't want to overcook it. Remove the fish from the heat and set it aside. Next, add the onions and garlic back into your pan and saute them until the onions are softened slightly. Add the remaining ingredients, except for the cilantro and olives, and simmer for 10 minutes to reduce slightly. Just before eating, you'll want to add the olives and return the fish to the pan and the sauce. Cook until the fish is rewarmed and cook through. Season to taste. This recipe can make 2 large portions or 4 small portions. For an added twist, you can also grill your fish on a lightly oiled barbecue.
Well, this looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. You can see this recipe in the fall 2018 edition of Wider Horizons magazine produced by Lethbridge College or online at widerhorizons.ca.
And to taste some more of our tasty treats, come to our Garden Court dining room or make reservations at 403-320-3230.
This is great. Thank you very much, Chef Doug. We hope you enjoy it and let us know how you like the recipe.